Hi guys, today we'll show you how to replace the blower motor in 2019 Plus Toyota RAV4. The blower motor is located underneath the glove box in this area. So first what we need to do is to remove this plastic panel. For this we have to press a few taps. There is one right here, one more over here. Just press and pull. 3 and one more over here. After that you can remove the cover completely, and this is our blower motor. The next step will be to disconnect this electrical connector and pull it out like this. The motor is being held by 3 screws. There is one right here, one more, and I believe there's one in the back as well, over there. For the third screw right here, you may need to use a shorter screwdriver, but because as you can see this one, there's not much space here and it hits the floor. That's why we'll use this set right now. This one works in tight spaces. And let's remove this screw. This is one. The second one. And the third one. Hold the blower motor with your hand, because as you can see it already starts to fall out. Remove the screw and here it is. We will quickly show you what's inside here. Now, because our RAV4 has dual climate control, separate for the driver and the passenger, we can actually see 2 different openings here. There's one and the second one right here. And you can also see the cabin air filter from here. This is what cleans the air, and this particular one is actually quite dirty. We need to replace it. And this is how the blower motor looks like again. As we explained before, because of the split climate control, this fan is actually split into 2 parts like this. Normally in other vehicles without dual climate control, you'll see it as one piece. In this case we have 2 split parts. And again, this is our connector, and the manufacturer is DENSO in this case, and this is the number. And I will try to leave you guys the link for this blower motor in the description as well. As for the screws, you can see we use the flathead screwdriver, but there are other options as well. You can use the star, which our set also has, and I'll show you which one it is. I believe this is the one. This one is TX25, and again we can use our driver, and as you can see this one fits as well and can be used. And also actually you can use the 8mm socket, which will work as well in this case. So this set is actually quite convenient. It's pretty small, and if you guys like it, I will leave the link for this one as well. The installation is done in the reverse order. First insert the blower motor like this, make sure it's properly aligned with this thing here, and now we can again use our screws. First you can manually tighten the screw, couple of them. Again, we're using the star. Actually works much better in this case. Be reasonable when you tighten these screws. Don't apply too much force, it's plastic. It would be nice if they specified the exact torque, but unfortunately we don't have it. So use common sense, and this should be completely enough in this case. The next is a plastic cover. You have to find these two openings. That's where these ones will go. And then simply connect it like this. And that's it. Our installation is complete.